Assalamualaikum, dear student. I am your science teacher of class 3rd. Open your book, page number 20, chapter number 3, the world of animals. In our environment, you can see cows, buffaloes, hens, ducks, goats, and sheep. These are some examples of domestic animals. Domestic animals give us various useful things. घरेलू जानवर हमें मुख्तलिफ इक़साम की फ़ायदेमंद चीज़ें फ़राहम करते हैं. Cows, goat and camels and buffaloes give us milk to drink. It is very useful for our health. From milk we make curd, butter and cheese. We also make ice cream from milk. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Egg is a part of our healthy food. Use of one egg daily in the form of omelette, boiled or fried is suitable for our health. Hen gives us meat and fish also gives us meat. Goat also gives us meat. We eat cooked meat of many animals as food. We eat meat of some animals, chicks, cows, bulls, goat and fishes are some examples of such animals. हम कुछ जानवरों का गोश्त खाते हैं, मसलन मुर्गी, गाय, भैंस, बकरी और मछलियाँ वगैरह. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Wool is the hair that grows on the body of sheep and some other animals. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm produce silk for us. We make clothes of silk and wool. Elephants, camels, horses, ponies, donkey and bullocks are our friends. They carry loads for us. They work hard for us. कुछ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स हमारे दोस्त होते हैं और वो हमारा बोझ उठाते हैं. Pets. We keep dogs, birds and cats as pets in our homes. Dogs guard our homes. Police dogs help in catching thieves. Cats scare away mice from our homes. Our shoes, bags and belts are made of leather. Leather is made from skin of some animals like cows, buffalo and camels. Skins of lions, tigers, snakes and crocodile are also used to make many daily life things. चमड़ा कुछ जानवरों की खाल से बनाया जाता है. See the page number 24. Which animal gives what? Relate each animal with its product by drawing lines as shown in the examples. Goat gives us curd. Cow gives us meat. Silkworm gives us silk. Sheep gives us wool. Hen gives us egg. Conclusion of this chapter. Cows, buffaloes, hens, ducks, goat and sheep are some examples of domestic animals. गाय, भैंस, बकरी, बत्तख, मुर्गी और भेड़ कुछ मिसालें हैं domestic animals की. Domestic animals give us various useful things. घरेलू जानवर हमें मुख्तलिफ इक़साम की फ़ायदेमंद चीज़ें फ़राहम करते हैं. Cows, goats, camels and buffaloes give us milk. गाय, बकरी, ऊँट और भैंस हमें दूध फराहम करती हैं. From milk we make curd, butter and cheese. दूध से हम दही, मक्खन और पनीर बनाते हैं. We eat meat of some animals. Chicks, cows, bulls, goats and fishes are some examples of such animals. हम कुछ जानवरों का गोश्त खाते हैं, मसलन चिकन, गाय, भैंस, बकरी और मछली वगैरह। Hens and ducks give us eggs. We eat meat of some animals. मुर्गी और बत्तख से हम अंडे हासिल करते हैं और कुछ जानवरों का हम गोश्त खाते हैं। Wool is the hair that grows on the body of sheep and some other animals. ऊन उन बालों को कहा जाता है जो भेड़ और कुछ दूसरे जानवरों की बॉडी पर ग्रो करते हैं। Silkworms produce silk for us. रेशम का कीड़ा हमारे लिए रेशम बनाता है। Some domestic animals are our friends. They carry our load. कुछ घरेलू जानवर हमारे दोस्त होते हैं और वो हमारा बोझ उठाते हैं। Leather is made from the skins of some animals. चमड़ा हम कुछ जानवरों की खालों से बनाते हैं। Tick true or false for the following statements. Number 1. Domestic animals are kept in the farms. This statement is true. Number 2. Curd, butter and cheese are made from eggs. This statement is false. Curd, butter and cheese are made from milk. Number 3. We eat the eggs of pigeons and parrots. This statement is false, because we eat the eggs of hen and ducks. Number 4. Wool obtained from elephant. This statement is also false. Wool obtained from sheep. Number 5. Camels, donkeys and bulls carry our loads. This statement is true. Tick the suitable word to make the information correct. Number 1. Cow, buffalo, sheep and goat are dash animals. Domestic, wild, water. Domestic is suitable word, so tick on domestic. Number 2. We get milk from dash. Hens, cows, frogs. Cow. Suitable word is cow, so tick on cows. Number 3. Dash give us wool. Buffalo, donkey, sheep. Correct word is sheep, so tick on sheep. Number 4. We eat meat of dash. Cats, goats, crocodiles. Goats is correct word, so tick on goats. Number 5. Leather comes from the skin of dash. Buffalo, fish, parrot. Buffalo is correct word, so tick on buffalo. Name these. Number 1. 3 daily life items which are made from wool or silk. Clothes, sweater, blanket. Number 2. 3 food products that we prepare from milk. Curd, butter, cheese. 3 pet animals. Cat, dog, parrot. 3 animals that carry our loads. Donkey, camel, bull. 3 animals that give us leather. Goat, cow, sheep. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work in your book. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.